plans for the holidays? Are you having a Friendsgiving dinner, a Thanksgiving dinner, a socially distanced Zoom party dinner?
We have a 3-course drink menu to get you through any holiday dinner. And when we say get you through it, we mean it. We are sipping on Mr. Black, a cold brew coffee liqueur. So actually, fun fact, Mr. Black is one of the top 10 trending liqueurs right now. According to Drinks International, it was rated above Saint Germain, which is one of our top 3, I would say, favorite liqueur brands. Yeah. That's pretty impressive.
Honestly.
Not gonna lie.
That definitely caught my attention.
Yeah. Obviously, we're gonna make some dope cocktails with this, but the fact that you can just drink it straight out the bottle, that's a beautiful thing.
Mr. Black sent us a bunch of cocktail recipes and we chose the 3 that we would make at our Friendsgiving dinner. So first up we have the coffee Negroni, which is so different and unique. We were really intrigued by this cocktail. First you're gonna pour 1 ounce of gin. Then 1 ounce of Campari. Last, 1 ounce of Mr. Black. Never had a coffee Negroni before.
This is a great cocktail to drink while you're cooking in the kitchen. This is gonna be a great cocktail to sip on.
Yes.
Pre-dinner.
I love that it has coffee in it, of course, because that's gonna get you through the night. And then I really love that it has Campari in it as well, because that's an aperitif.
Yes.
Okay? It's the perfect cocktail to prepare you for your meal. Cheers to a coffee Negroni. It's good.
Oh.
It's really good.
Oh.
I like that.
Campari, coffee, and gin. Those are very bold flavors. So mixing them all up together, I was a little scared, but this is good.
Negronis are typically very bitter, and the Mr. Black in this is the perfect amount of sweetness, you know? If you're a Negroni fan, highly recommend.
Try it out.
10 out of 10.
I'm ready for the main course.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm excited because there's tequila involved.
We love. We're tequila gals. In a shaker over ice, add 1 ounce of tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, add a 1/2 ounce of agave syrup, and finally 1 ounce of Mr. Black.
Let's talk about the looks of this cocktail because it is beautiful.
It's foamy, just like we like it.
Yes.
We like that froth.
Cheers.
Let's taste this Margarita Negra. Whoa. I'm really freaking into this.
That's so good.
Wait, I'm in shock right now.
It's like the perfect balance of sweet and sour.
Yeah.
It goes down really easy.
Oh my god, I love that.
Oh no.
Just want to drink.
Pre-dinner, during dinner, after dinner. I would drink this anywhere, any day. In a shoe. How does Dr. Seuss say it? On a boat with a goat. I would drink this everywhere.
What?
Sam, I am.
I've never heard that, but okay. Now, I feel like this is my favorite right now, but I'm usually a sweet tooth kind of gal, and I'm ready for the dessert. Okay?
Let's make that espresso martini. First add 1 ounce of vodka. Then add 1 ounce of espresso. Last, add 1 ounce of Mr. Black. Dessert time.
Our favorite time.
Cheers.
You can never go wrong with an espresso martini. It's delicious.
This is the perfect post-dinner drink, and I don't think that's a new thing. Like, people love having espresso martinis, especially when they want to keep the night going. So this is perfect for a Friendsgiving, you know? You got your friends over, y'all are having cocktails, you gonna play a game? You wanna play a game?
This is a classic. I wanna play a game. I wanna sip on my martini is what I wanna do.
That right there. If you wanna make these cocktails at home, you're gonna need this set. So we partnered up with Mr. Black to give away this luxury bar tool set.
To enter, all you have to do is follow Thirsty Bartenders and Mr. Black Spirits on Instagram and tag 3 of your friends you're having a socially distanced Friendsgiving with.
If you're in Florida, you can find Mr. Black at Walmart Liquors, ABC Liquors, and Total Wine.
You're welcome. You're gonna like this.
From the starter to the main course to the dessert, you are ready for any Friendsgiving, any holiday party.
We're ready also.
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Cheers! Okay. Okay. I'm a little lit, not gonna lie.
That's delicious. I love it.
Feeling good, like I should. In my neighborhood.
Feeling blessed.
Never stressed. What are the kids doing on TikTok nowadays? Like
Definitely not this, actually.
Definitely not what I
doing.
just did.
This is weird. I don't know why I keep doing it.
That's a move.